If you've been trying to figure out how to delete a domain from your Hostgator account, you're in the right place. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll walk you through every step clearly so you can remove any unwanted domain safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to www.hostgator.com. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner. You'll see a sign in button. Click that and log in with your Hostgator account credentials. If you've forgotten your password, no worries. There's a recovery option right below the login fields. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Hostgator dashboard. Here, locate the Domains tab in the main navigation menu. It's usually near the top or left side of your screen. Click on that to open your list of registered domains. Now, find the specific domain you want to delete. Next to it, you'll often see an Action or Settings menu. Click there to open your domain's management settings. Inside the domain settings, scroll until you find the option labeled Remove Domain or Delete Domain. Before you confirm, make sure you've backed up any important data like website files, emails, or DNS configurations, because deleting the domain will permanently remove all associated data. Once you're absolutely sure, click Remove Domain, confirm your decision when prompted, and Hostgator will process the deletion. This action is irreversible, so double check that you're deleting the correct one. And that's it. Your domain is now successfully deleted from your Hostgator account. Well, it only takes a few minutes once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and best of luck managing your digital space.